war on Ndioka as a first principles thinker. I think from the problem back to the solution, and I even think from the solution to the problem. So I have come to the conclusion that fighting the church, Eko Kansi, is not the solution, because Oka is made of the people who give it legitimacy. Now, if any DMS now boy Kondio Kansi, Tata and henceforth, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-eme mmụọ kuba ndị ụka nsị, kubazia ndị ụka nsị, ndị ụka na-aka ya na-akụzi nsị, ọ bụzia na ya bụ ife ya echekwaba fa against mmụọ alụsị anyị Igbo, ma akụ afa nsị, ọ bụ na ya bụ ife ha ji emebi obodo anyị, ha ji wee jụọ anyị hold our leaders to account. Say I no fit tell my leader now making sweat for deity before I vote him, because I know say that deity go kill him. Now the reason why anything that happen for this country, for this Africa. If say I fit swear a governor by the deity where my ancestors create to protect my community Umuoji, if say that same guy go swear by that day and their own deity, if him go Anaku go swear by Ekwensu, if him go Okeja swear by their most prominent Olase, go each state, then the corruption go die. Him no go sit back and let people do bullshit where him fit easily curb people that he created, Fulani herdsmen, Udogachi or whatever. He no go let them sit back. He no go sit back and let them do bullshit that he can easily curb, but he's leaving them because of selfish interest, selfish national interest. So in go. So I can't blame a greedy, callous fellow. I cannot blame that person. That person is Obala Bagianya. You know what I'm saying? I know they waste energy, guard him energy efficient. I can't blame a greedy, callous politician. I can't blame that person. Now, what is now the problem? Is now the person that is voting or preventing me from holding that person accountable. And that person now, the reason why he no go get consensus, say, Goga, if you are a Christian, I'm not voting for you. The reason that we cannot get that consensus is because some people believe that he can be a Christian. No, you cannot be a Christian and be pro-African at the same time. Because the only thing we go kill corruption now, make they swear by our deities.